Hello everyone, welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for all things about health, wellness, and longevity. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most powerful remedies, aloe vera. This incredible plant isn't just for sunburns, it's a skincare and hair care superhero. And in the next 2.5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use aloe vera to elevate your beauty routine. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk skincare. Aloe vera is loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration. To use it, grab a fresh aloe vera leaf, slice it open and scoop out the gel. Apply a thin layer directly onto clean skin. It works wonders for reducing redness, soothing irritation, and even fading acne scars over time. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel soft, hydrated, and refreshed. Now, let's move to hair care. Did you know aloe vera is a natural conditioner? Its enzymes help reduce dandruff, promote healthy scalp circulation, and even boost hair growth. Simply massage the gel into your scalp, work it through your strands, and let it sit for 20 minutes before washing it out with your favorite shampoo. Your hair will thank you with added shine and strength. You can also customize your aloe vera treatments. Mix the gel with a few drops of essential oils like lavender for relaxation or tea tree for extra scalp care. This boost adds even more benefits to your routine. Aloe vera is the ultimate multitasker for both skin and hair. And the best part? It's natural, affordable, and super easy to use. So why not give it a try? Your skin and hair deserve a little TLC. Thanks for watching Health Options 101. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health tips. See you in the next video.